I am the Spikey Lord of Doom! Yeah! I've been trying to break into the supervillain racket for some time now. Yeah! And minions are kind of a necessity. I need minions, but like, I haven't been able to get any good help, but good help is hard to find. Yeah! So I figure demons. Speaking of demons, one of them's calling me. Can you hear that? Yeah! Oh, it's hell. Yes, hell. It is I, the Spikey Lord of Doom. What can I do for you? Really? Shut up. They need me to put together a band. Heavy metal, dude. And then that will summon the demons. This is gonna be epic! June 6th? Okay. What time? 6 o'clock? This is gonna be epic! We're gonna put together a band. Yeah! The demons are gonna take over the world this time. Yeah. And if you want to know the backstory, you can watch Chainsaw Maidens from Hell on Trauma Now at trauma.com to get all the dark to find out why I need to open the gates of hell again. Yeah! I got all kinds of work to do now. Gotta go. Later.